Hello and welcome to the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel. As you can tell by my beautiful accent, this is not Andrew, but this is AK. This apartment is in the Los Balsos neighborhood of El Poblado, which is basically 4 minutes Uber drive from the main tourist district of Provenza, or a 20-minute walk. This one is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment. It's got 205 square meters apartment area, 80 square meters terrace area, which is really beautiful. You're going to see it in a bit. So that brings it to 285 square meters total area. If you are American and you don't understand meter squared, then just check the description because we have everything in square foot or whatever you guys use over there. This apartment is being sold completely turnkey. So that means you can buy it with everything inside, so fully furnished, which is a little bit more expensive, but I'll tell you about the price in just a second. It has 2 parking spaces and also comes with a storage unit. A lot of you guys have been asking about the HOA fees and taxes, so I'm going to include it in this video. Let me know if you like that or not going forward. The monthly HOA fees are $268 and the taxes that are paid every quarter are $305, more or less, right? Because the foreign exchange rate between the peso and the dollar is constantly changing. Once again, if you want these figures in pesos, then just check the description. Here is the bedroom, first bedroom. Both bedrooms actually have ACs, which let me tell you, a lot of people say you don't need it, but Medellin's actually getting hotter. When I first got here, it was basically about 24, 25 degrees Celsius every day. Now it's getting up to about 27, 28. So at nighttime sometimes can be difficult. This apartment's actually 26 years old. You wouldn't be able to tell by looking at it. That's because it's been completely renovated. You see this hardwood flooring that wasn't there before. The current owners put everything in and done a full renovation, so it looks brand new. The unfurnished price, 1.65 billion Colombian pesos, which is more or less 400,000 US dollars. If you want it furnished, it's going to be an extra 40 million Colombian pesos, which is about 10 grand in US dollar. So furnished price is 1.69 Colombian pesos, about 410K US. We're going to go outside in a second, and that's probably the best part of this whole apartment building, or this apartment, I should say. Maybe of the apartment building as well. Haven't seen the other apartments, so I'm not sure. But here we go. What are we going to see? Surprise. It's a hot tub. Bet you didn't know that was coming. But Andrew, where are you going? Go back. He wants to show you the walk-in wardrobe. But here is the hot tub. And there's a TV there as well. So you can be hanging out there all day on a Sunday, watching football and just taking it easy. Here is a terrace, guys. 80 square meters. I'm going to guess that's like 800 square foot. If you want to see this apartment or you want help finding something else that suits your needs, then just click the link that we've left for you in the description, fill out the form, and someone from our team will be in touch with you faster than it took to watch this video. Or maybe not that fast, but still pretty fast. See you in the next video.